Now let's see you paint. Let's see you paint. No, no. Let's see you paint. I'll let you see it if you paint something for me first. Good job, Zoe. Zoe, what's in your hair? What is it? Do you have a flower in your hair?
Yeah.
What is it called? Pink. Can you say flower? Fla. Do you have a flower in your hair? Yeah. Hey. That's okay. Are you trying to dance with Sissy? Are you doing a two-hand reel? That's a good song. You want me to pump the water? Do you want me to pump the water? Yeah? You want me to come over there and pump the water? Yeah. Okay. Do you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye.